Welcome to General Plastics Manufacturing. In our 80-year history, General Plastics has become an innovator in rigid and flexible polyurethane foam products. General Plastics supports our clients with numerous in-house value-added processes. With an eye on 100% quality, General Plastics is certified to the following quality standards. For more information on how General Plastics can support your company's needs, visit our website or send us an email to info@generalplastics.com.